Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. For today's recipe, it is Indonesian food. It is fragrant turmeric rice. I think my camera keeps rolling down. Anyways, it's fragrant turmeric rice that we call as or refer as Nasi Kuning, and it is always accompanied with either fried chicken, fried tempeh, sweetened tempeh, cucumber, boiled eggs or flavored eggs or fried eggs. Most of the times it's with beef floss, chicken floss, but the rice itself without the other companions, it's nice, it's tasty. We call it gurih. It's flavorful. The following nasi kuning turmeric rice, I made ayam suwir. It's shredded chicken, but it's not using chicken. It's leftover turkey from our Christmas dinner. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. So this is 3 cups of rice. I'm using the cup measurement that came with the rice cooker. We're just gonna rinse it until the water is clear. Once the rice is rinsed, add in 1 can of coconut milk. This is 400 milliliter. Add in 2 Indonesian bay leaves. If you don't have Indonesian bay leaf, just use regular bay leaf that you can find in Canada, but only one of them. Only 1 leaf because it's a bit strong and the flavor is a bit different. And about 3 coffee lime leaves. We're also gonna add 1 lemongrass and 1 thumb of ginger, but we're gonna bruise them first. And then we're gonna season it with salt and turmeric. So as I mentioned, this was 3 cups, and you can see the water or the coconut water is up to the 3 cups. We're gonna add it until it's at the 4th line, close to 4th line. Now we're just gonna mix it. And we're gonna let the rice cooker cook the raw rice and turn it into our fragrant coconut rice, nasi kuning. And there you go, just fluff it. You can serve it as is with chicken or beef floss or whatever sides you like. So we're gonna use leftover of roast turkey. We're just gonna kind of shred it like with your fingers, with your hands. You just shred it or using fork, and then or you can slice it. And then we're gonna use 1 onion and 6 garlic. We're just gonna slice them thinly, like so. Now this is 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. We're just gonna saute our garlic and onion with 3 kaffir lime leaves until fragrant. Just until fragrant and soften, and then we're gonna add in our shredded turkey meat. And we're gonna season it. In Indonesia, if we have these long capsicums that we call cabai merah or lombok panjang, lombok merah panjang, lombok besar, and it's not spicy at all. It's almost like sweet, but you cannot substitute it with bell pepper, unfortunately. And that lombok besar, lombok panjang, lombok merah is good to be added to this stir fry. Unfortunately, we don't have them here, so I'm just gonna use if you like spicy, you can use bird-eye chilies or bon cabe if you are in Indonesia, but my kids don't really like spicy. Depending on the food, they don't like this one spicy, so I'm just gonna add white pepper, ground white pepper. For this, we're gonna season it with Maggi liquid seasoning, oyster sauce, and Indonesian sweet soy sauce that we call kecap manis. You can find it at Walmart, sometimes no frills as well, Savon, Chinatown. Then just add just the flavoring with a little salt, sugar, or MSG if you're using. Now basically your chicken is done. Just add some chives, and it's good to be served with congee, warm rice, but in this case we're gonna serve it with turmeric rice. So here we got our nasi kuning, fragrant turmeric rice, and ayam suwir. Well, it's not ayam, but it's ayam kalkun, shredded turkey. Bon appetit!